Howdy, y'all. Stock Warden here, back again with another rocket stock video. Today's stock, we're going to be looking at American Resources Corporation. They go under the ticker AREC. This company is a supplier of raw materials to the rapidly growing global infrastructure marketplace. And the company's primary focus is on the extraction, processing, transportation, and selling of metallurgical carbon and PCI to the steel industry. This company was founded in 2006, and boy, has their growth been something else. So, let's dive in a little bit on this company and show you just why this stock is going to be the next rocket to the moon. So, this company has three different sub companies underneath American Resources umbrella. And it starts with American Metals. It's their cutting edge recycler of metals for the electrified economy, taking batteries, magnets, and other forms of ferrous materials that were once thought to be completely non recyclable. And not only are they able to recycle those materials, but rejuvenate them to better than original, and also take the byproducts and get to sell those for a profit as well. They are currently the only American company that is doing this commercially, which would take relevance and reliance on other countries down a notch. Their second company is ReElement Technologies. This division refines critical minerals into battery and magnet grade materials. They've been able to achieve the highest purity lithium at a 99.99% purity rate, where normal lithium refiners are somewhere around the 99.97% and below, which I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but purity, where the higher the purity comes, the better the standard and the better quality of the consumer product, because with a higher purity of lithium, that gives you better batteries, longer lifespan, and also a more compressed electron rate for your electrified products. The third company is American Infrastructure Corp. They produce high quality raw materials that input directly into the global steel and infrastructure market, including their metallurgical carbon and iron ore. That company is specifically their mining operation. So that's the gist rundown of what they've had going on since 2006. So in less than 20 years, they've already got three different divisions set up and rolling out bigger and stronger than most all companies that are in this set industry. This stock is currently at $1.11 a share, and they're definitely way up above anything else that you could think of, being at 80% today. So their evaluation went up to $150 million, and in that closed a $20 million financing via private capital from the US. Now, what that means is that this stock is going to end up with a lot of publicity really fast. And let me tell you why, because with them wanting to push against China, especially the American government once again, they're trying to make sure that America does not have to be reliant on China and or other countries to be able to take care of us for our chips, our batteries, our technologies, and this company pulling it straight out of the ground and even being able to recycle it from something that was thought to be not possible. This company is definitely paving the way for a new set of technology along with a new set of market, because nobody's ever really thought about buying revitalized batteries. But if you tell me that a revitalized battery will hold a longer charge than a brand new one, I'll get in line for them. So, with America showing interest in this stock, along with the people being interested in this stock, along with many other genres of the technological department and even the auto industry going into the electrification of vehicles, whether it be Tesla, Ford, GM, every car maker now is making electric vehicles and they all rely on these batteries and lithium. And with this company making the highest purity lithium there is, I'm sure they're going to be lining up to pull directly from this company as well. So with this, as you can tell, right now they're at $1.11, which isn't very far off from what the stock was doing back in December. Because back in December they were seeing a high just as high as $1.34. But we had the downward trend throughout the beginning of the year. Obviously, you can see the full bearish run through the center. But then, after the past couple of days, with all the good news they've had, along with the good outlets, along with the government looking at everything, along with their positive, where they outperformed every metric that they had for Q1 and also Q4 for last year and the Q1 for this year, this stock had nothing better to do than to just go straight up like this. So now they're on notice. So be sure to watch out for this one. And I definitely couldn't leave it in the shade, so I had to bring this one out into the light for y'all. So I hope y'all like the video. Please like and subscribe. And if you have a different stock that you want to look into or research, or even heck, comment down below what your favorite stock is and what you might have invested mainly in your portfolio. So then I might be able to share with the rest of the world just how good it is. So I appreciate y'all for watching. So this is the Stock Warden riding off. Y'all come back now, you hear?